Hi guys, this is still December the 24th, but I thought since I'm almost done with Train of Dreams that I would go ahead and unbox my next one because I know I want to get to this quick. This one is called Cat Bookshelf and it is from Randall Spangler, my favorite, from Diamond Art Club, and it is a square. Now I have not done a square in quite a while, so this will be different. It is 34.3 inches by 24.6 inches. And I don't know if you could see what that is about. Since you know I love cats, that is going to be my next one. This is the last one that I have bought. I had not bought any for quite a while. I'm trying to undo this box. Let's see, let me get up here. And so when this came up around Black Friday, I could not resist. I had to get this one. So let us unbox and see what is here. As always, if I get it out, it's all packed in here really good. We have the toolkit. And in this toolkit is wax and little teeny tiny mini Ziploc baggies in case you want to put your diamonds in those. For square drills, you get tweezers, which I do not use. You get a pen. Here are the little bitty baggies. And you get you get a boat. This must be the, hold on guys. This must be the new toolkit because I've never gotten washi tape before. So here I have two things. Let's see, one thing of washi tape. Oh, and a little thing of wax. Isn't that cute? It's in this little container. And you get some tips. So that, and you also, whoa, wait a minute. Oh, it's one of these cover minder things. I don't use these, but I know a lot of people do. It is a little watermelon. Okay, so let me get this stuff back in here after I'm dropping it. Hold on. I'm dropping everything on the floor. I just got done from coming from outside and it is still freezing. You can tell by my outfit that I got a lot of clothes on. Okay, let us see what else. Okay, next you get a sticker. I don't use these either, but a lot of people do. That way you can know what you're doing there. Okay, let's, whoop, there goes my box. Okay, so here is how the Diamond Art Club paintings come. You can see it's a long one, and it comes in this really nice packaging. So let me put it on this chair. Open it up. Okay, the drills must be on the other end. Okay, sorry. Okay. So first off, we have this little booklet that explains how to diamond paint, and it also gives you a coupon. And this is one of the best things in here. This is, well, let me go this way. This is a picture of it. And then all of these things on the side are the colors and the symbols. There are 58 colors in this project. And these are stickers. And what you do is you stick them onto your containers. And that way you know what is what. So since I have the block of colors right here, I'm gonna run through the colors really quick. If I can open this up. Here we go. And not have, I'm gonna push this back a bit because I'm going to set my colors down here because the cats are all over the place today and they don't seem like they are going to cooperate. Okay, this is the first bunch. And this way you can know what colors are in there. Okay, we have 3770, 3024, 498, 3607, which is 3607 is this pink, 905. I gotta hold these up because they will swat at them. There are 3 colors of 301, 3776, 3371. There are 3 of those. Our good old 310. There is 4 of those. 400, there are 2 of those, and 3799, there's 2 of those. Okay, those are the ones that have a lot of drills in them. Some people call them drills, some people call them diamonds. Okay, let's see what this one holds. Maybe I can do it this way. Okay. 921, the green is 907, 898, this is 647. 3853 has 2. There's 413, 322 has 2. 134 is the green, 648, 902, and 977 has 2. Because I know when I get done with my other one, I'm going to want to get this kitted up and start on it probably tomorrow night. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, 754. There's 2, let's see, wait a minute, 155 and 3746. This is 758, 415. The light in here is not that good. 135, 3837, 550, 327, 3787, 318, 414. 660, no, 600, sorry. 646, 101, 3608, 915, 3857, 803, and 3855. Okay. Last bunch here. Okay, let's see, going backwards. Here we go. No. Why don't you just not be up here? Okay. 3818, 336, 141, 920, 854, 317, 718, 334, 815, 951. These are all twisted up. 2 300s, 2 904s, 2 976s, 2 312s, 890, and 3826. A lot of different colors in this one. And let us look at the canvas. All these guys are trying to check all this stuff out. I have to pick all that up. Okay, here we, oh, this is just so soft. Ooh, what colors? Oh my gosh, I love this one. Check this out. I'll hold it up as much as I can. This is pretty darn big. I can't even hold it that high. Wow, I am going to love doing this one, believe me. I have a lot of stuff to do in the house, so if I didn't, I probably would get on, I'm just rolling this up. I probably would try and start finishing the Train of Dreams because I'm almost finished. And then I would kit this one and see if I could start it tonight, but I don't know. We'll have to see how quick I get going. So this is going to be my next Diamond Art Club project, and I am just going to love it. So Thank you guys very much for watching. Sorry it was kind of a hurried run through with the colors, but I just didn't want the cats to kind of get to them. When I'm done with Train of Dreams, I will get on here and do a real short review. And that's all I have right now. So it's still Christmas Eve. So enjoy your night. Thanks.